Hi, I'm Gio, the Audio-Visual Manager for the Audubon Nature Institute. Today we're going to talk about wireless microphones, wired microphones, mixers, and amplifiers, and their usage. There are three types of wireless microphones. Microphones that are lapel microphones connected to a body pack, headset microphone connected to a body pack. We also have the handset. These wireless microphones have a built-in transmitter which go to a receiver connected directly to the mixer. A wireless microphone system converts the audio signal created by the microphone to a radio signal, which is sent to the sound system through the air by a transmitter. The radio signal is similar to those used by television and FM radio stations. The receiver, tuned to the same frequency as the transmitter, picks up the radio signal, converts it back into an audio signal, and feeds it to the sound system through a short cable connected to the mixer. There are also wired microphones that are connected directly to the mixer. These microphones don't have a receiver or a transmitter connected. Most microphones connect to mixers with XLR connections. The end with the three holes connects to the microphone, and the end with the three prongs connect to the mixer. How do we use the microphones? A good technique would be to put the microphone onto your chin and just talk in your outside voice, being very consistent. You don't want the microphone directly in front of your mouth, and you don't want to hold the microphone by the top of the microphone. This prevents the sound from getting in. Holding the microphone in the wrapper style is also not proper usage of the microphone. Proper usage of the headset microphone is to put the body pack on your belt. Put the headset over your head, and the microphone should be about 1 inch from your mouth. Speak clearly and evenly, using your outside voice to make sure you get a good signal. Setting levels on your mixer. What you want to make sure of is that your mixer has the volume set up to unity. You can check if there is a signal by checking the input gain. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You'll see a light come on your mixer to make sure that you're receiving a signal. If you're receiving a signal from your channel, but you're not sending that mixing board signal to your power amplifier, make sure your master gain is pulled up. Set that also to unity. When you set this to unity, you'll see your master gain sending a signal also. Testing 1, 2. Make sure your amplifier is turned on and that you're receiving a signal to the amp channel to make sure that the amplifier is sending out a signal to your speakers. If your volume level indicator color turns red, your volume is too loud. This is called clipping. This occurs when an amplifier is overdriven and attempts to deliver an output voltage or current beyond its maximum capability. It results in distorted audio output. If you notice that you are clipping, try turning the volume down on the channel that you are using. If you find your microphone isn't working, with the wireless handset, make sure your microphone is turned on and that you have a green light on your microphone. A green light signals that your battery level is correct. A red light would mean that your battery is too weak to send a signal to the receiver. On the wireless microphone, there's a status light. An unlit status light means the microphone is powered off. To turn the microphone on, hold the button down until the green light appears. When the green light appears, the microphone is ready for use. The wireless microphone also has a mute or standby mode. To mute the microphone, press the power button one time. The light will go from green to orange. This means the microphone is in mute mode. If your batteries need to be changed, With the wireless handset, unscrew the bottom of the microphone. These require 9 volts. There are some that require AA's. Remove the battery and just put the battery back in again. Put the top on and screw on the microphone bottom. Do not overscrew the microphone bottom because these have a tendency to break. With the microphones requiring a body pack, make sure your body pack is turned on. Push the button in. The green light will appear. If your light goes amber, your body pack does not have enough power to send a signal to your receiver. With the body pack, just open the bottom, pull out the batteries, and replace the batteries. When choosing your batteries, you could choose either alkaline or rechargeable batteries. Alkalines are one-use batteries only. They can be used over a duration of time and then disposed of properly. Rechargeable batteries are batteries that can be charged in a charger. The battery life for rechargeable batteries is 3 to 4 hours. To power our mixers and amplifiers, we use power conditioners and power strips. If either one of these two machines are not receiving power, you may want to check your power conditioner or power strip to make sure that they're turned on and receiving power and giving power to the mixers and amplifiers. When working with a microphone, there's a chance that you may run into feedback. Audio feedback, also known as acoustic feedback, simply as feedback, or the Larsen effect, is a special kind of positive feedback which occurs when a sound loop exists between an audio input, for example a microphone, and an audio output, for example a loudspeaker. Feedback is the result of walking too close to a speaker or your volume being too loud. To resolve this issue, take 2 or 3 steps back away from the front of the speaker or turn the volume down on your microphone channel. You may have to do both. You'll know feedback because feedback will sound like this. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any unresolved issues with sound equipment, please don't hesitate to give the AV department a call on the radio.